Hi, it's my pleasure sharing with you some baby care tips for upcoming winters. Number 1, no need to stop giving banana to your child. Yes, this superfood and immunity booster. Banana is a nutrient packed fruit. It is rich in antioxidants, rich in many minerals and vitamins. It also in fact gives carbohydrates. So don't stop it even if it is winter season. And second, the same thing applies to curd as well. If you are giving it at room temperature, it will not cause any harm to your child. It is rich in protein, calcium, antioxidants, and it has very good probiotic value. So please don't stop giving curd as well to your child, even if it's winter season. And third mistake that we often do to our children is overclothing them during the winter season. So avoid overclothing your child, and best is to clothe them in layers. The innermost layer should be a cotton one and the outer layers can be the warmer ones. And in smaller babies, keep on checking baby's skin from time to time, and if you feel that the skin is moist, that means the child is sweating, and in that case you have to remove one layer of cloth. For little babies, there is a thumb rule for clothing that the number of layers the mother needs to wear according to her own perception of cold. Just add one layer extra for her child. And overclothing not only suffocates the baby, but it can cause dehydration because of excessive sweating. So that's why you need to be careful about that. And the fourth is tips regarding bathing a baby. So how do we come to know what temperature of water is needed to bathe a baby? Ideally speaking, temperature should be between 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. But we can't take our thermometers along every time we take our child to bath. So one thing is, you just put your elbow inside the water and just feel that the water should neither be too cold nor it should be too hot. Too hot water can cause scalds to the baby, and it can also lead to dryness of the skin, eczematous lesions can appear on the skin, excoriation of skin can occur. So the hot water can damage your baby's skin. Another tip is, head should be washed last and should be dried first. And make sure after drying with a towel, you cover the baby with a warm blanket before taking the baby to the room. And last but not the least, myths about breastfeeding. So even if the mother is having cough, fever or cold, breastfeeding to the baby has to be continued whatsoever, because breast milk is packed with so many immunonutrients, so many antibodies are there, so many protective factors are there for the baby, and it is beneficial for mother as well, because if the mother will not feed her baby, the breast will get engorged and this will add to her discomfort and illness. Thank you for listening. Share to your loved ones and have a healthy and happy life. Bye-bye.